Welcome to our hometown, my hometown, a place where dreams are nurtured through sports, education, and dedication to building communities. And we are G.O.E.L, an initiative that aims to cultivate critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and computer literacy amongst the youth of Zvishavane through computer gaming. We are located at the heart of the Zvishavane community, at number 196 Drinkwater Avenue in Zimbabwe. See, G.O.E.L believes there is no innovation without creativity or failure. Behind this initiative lies the dream that Africa will not be unless it realizes its potential. A pan-African vision of an integrated, prosperous, and peaceful Africa, driven by its own citizens towards inclusive growth and sustainable development. G.O.E.L begins with a simple story. It's based on the idea that computer literacy is one of the most vital skills in today's evolving technological world. This, however, requires one to have access to basic educational platforms and computer facilities. But this is not the case for the middle and lower class across Zimbabwe, who find themselves with minimal exposure to technology until freshman university. Not only is this disempowering, but a problem that sees much of the youth deprived of access to research, careers, scholarships, and external opportunities to enhance their learning progress, leaving most of the youth utilizing the free time engaging in drug and substance abuse as well as illegal activities. Hence, we are proud to say, with this initiative, we are dedicated to giving back to the Zvishavane community in a way that not only empowers, but equips and uplifts our society and the nation at large. Since our establishment in 2019, G.O.E.L has exposed approximately 45 individuals with access to online ICT education, coding, and program classes on a full-time basis. Students have access to a hybridized curriculum extracted from those put in place by the Ministries of Primary and Secondary Education in Zimbabwe. These are merged to best serve and empower our target market. G.O.E.L also harbors a successful project through its Techno-Entrepreneurship program. These projects are aimed at merging technological concepts with design thinking methodologies to create sustainable solutions to the local problems in Zimbabwe. Lastly, G.O.E.L serves over 70 gaming enthusiasts under its gaming program, established as a social campaign towards removing youth from the streets, which we in turn believe will reduce the number of individuals prone to becoming accustomed to the rising drug and substance abuse in Zimbabwe. Today, at the face of the tragic pandemic, we find ourselves undeterred in our efforts to assist our communities in getting accustomed to the digitalization of education, as the World Health Organization calls for remote learning and working. To this end, G.O.E.L has since engaged in two prominent projects aimed at supporting a swift transition to digital learning. We have created an ICT-orientated introductory platform based on the LAN network within the community of Zvishavane. This platform, beyond educating the masses on the basics of computer technology, is also aimed at reducing the education gap posed by the digitalization of education to individuals without the financial pool to afford the necessary resources for this system. That is, through G.O.E.L, students are supported to access preloaded lectures accessible in remote locations without the need for Wi-Fi or electricity. In the same light, as the government seeks to have students return to schools in the next coming semester, we have incubated our first technopreneurship project called Kamba Kangu, in partnership with a real estate company. This is primarily to help disadvantaged students from various universities to have access to more affordable housing off campus in Zimbabwe. By initiating and supporting such projects, we believe we serve the community of Zvishavane and Zimbabwe as pioneers and promoters of a smooth transition to the digitalization of trivial services while creating opportunities for the youth and the common man. Thank you for your continued support of G.O.E.L. We hope to uplift, equip, and become through innovative learning.